Hi guys, and welcome to lesson number 3 of Intro to Drawing, and we're going to go over color. Okay, so don't be scared. Color can be very intimidating at first, but it really just takes a matter of learning how to mix it. And I can tell you, you can make a lot of different colors with this, with these 4 guys over here, and the black and the white. Okay, so the best way to explain and understand color is to make your own color wheel. So for this lesson, I'm going to make a color wheel from scratch. Let's see. And I'm going to use my trusty pencil. So what I'm going to do is I am going to draw or just trace over this triangle, and you can make it from any shape you'd like. I'm just trying to set up here. You can use any shape you want. You can just do circles around and put your colors in. But you will eventually, as your assignment is to design your own color wheel and mix your own colors, okay? Because that is the best way to understand color. All right, so I found this heart shape. I'm going to use it as my color container here. Okay, so I do that, and I need these 2 right here. Okay, so the first 3 guys are gonna be the primary colors, okay? So this is gonna be red, and he is a primary, which means that these are the colors you're gonna get. There's no way you can mix anything to get these primary colors. In fact, you can mix the primary colors to get every other color. So this will be blue, which is primary. And actually, let me do it down here. So this is going to be yellow. Okay, and this is also primary. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do, and I'm going to use a cheap painting set that I got at Dollar Tree for $1, and this is going to bring your primary colors, and also brings green, but I'm going to make my own green with the primary colors. So I'm going to open it up and use my very cheap paintbrush, also from the Dollar Tree. You have a cup of water so you can mix and clean your brush. I have a baby wipe to clean my brush after I dipped it in the water, and a little container to mix the color, okay? And I'm gonna open up the red and leave it up here. I'm gonna wet my brush and remove the excess water and dip it in the red. And I'm going to leave it here. Paint the heart here. Okay. All right. Let's see, I'm gonna grab the yellow and the blue. Yellow. And then obviously I'm not gonna be as precise as I could be with my painting, because I don't want to make this video too long for you. I don't want you to fall asleep on me. Okay, so here we have our primary colors. Okay, so now we are going to go over our secondary colors, and the way we get secondary colors is by mixing our primary colors. Okay, so we're gonna put one between these 2 guys. Okay, and one between these 2 guys, and one heart between these 2 guys. Okay, so we're gonna mix here. So if we put a little bit of red and a little bit of yellow, we are going to get some orange. Okay. Clean our brush, clean our palette. Now we're going to mix red again and some blue. And we're gonna get purple or violet. I like to call it purple. Okay. Clean our brush, clean our palette. And now to make some green, we have to mix blue and yellow. Here's our green. Okay. So our green is secondary. Purple, secondary. Orange, secondary. Okay, so right now I have the green I've already made, and we're up to our tertiary colors, which means you have to mix a primary and a secondary, and you get tertiary colors. And just for the sake of time, I'm just drawing these out here. I'm gonna do a little heart thing, okay? So I'm gonna use this green, and I'm gonna put a little bit more of that blue, and I should get some blue-green. Okay, so that's some blue-green. Gonna wipe our palette. Going to make some green first. Make the green, here it is. Now we're gonna add more yellow. We're gonna make yellow-green. Okay. A nice color. I love that one. Okay. All right, so now we're gonna grab some yellow. We'll try to clean your, and some red. And we have made our orange. Okay. So now we're gonna put more yellow. Our yellow orange. Okay. And now we're gonna put more red into the orange, and it'll be red orange. Kind of looks like ketchup from here. Okay. All right, now let's wipe our palette. Dip our brush in the water. Clean up our brush. Okay. Now let's grab some red and make some purple. There's our purple. Okay. So now we're gonna grab some more red. Make some red violet, some red purple. That's a nice color too. I really hate to have to wipe these off. I'd like to paint something with them. Nice. That's a nice color. Okay. So now I'm gonna put a little bit more blue in it to make it back to purple. Okay, so there's our purple again, and now we're gonna put some more blue, and now we're gonna make some blue purple. So as you see, as you mix and experiment with your colors, you start to get a variety of colors from just these primary color, red, yellow, and blue. Okay? And now the other important part of this, of color, let's just do it here. So there's shade, which means that you mix any color with black and you get a shade. So shade equals color plus black. So I have this purple right here, and I'm gonna grab some black and put it into my purple. There's a dark shade of purple right there. So almost black. Okay. Sorry, I was grabbing my other brush because this one. Okay. All right, so now for our tint. Oops. It's any color plus white. Okay, so we're gonna get rid of this dark purple and we're gonna do something a little happier than this very dark purple. Okay, so we're gonna grab some red, and let's say we want to make it orange. So we want a light orange, we want a tint of orange. So there we've made our orange with yellow and white, and let's open up our white. So here's where you really start having fun with color, when you start to add white and black, get all these tints and shades. And okay, here's your tint. Look how pretty that color is. Okay, there's tint. So it's almost like a pinkish. Yeah, it would be, because pink and red, I mean white and red make pink. Okay, so now for a tone, you have color plus black plus white. So let's mix the black and white first. Oops. So we're gonna mix white and black, and we're gonna make a gray. Let's make it a lighter gray. Okay, and we're gonna add, let's just add another red here. Okay, so here is your tone of red. Okay, so it's very similar to the purple, or actually the blue purple, but it's really not the same. Okay, so now for this assignment, you have to create your own color wheel. It doesn't matter what shape you choose or what format you choose, but you have to have all the primary colors, the secondary colors, and the tertiary colors. These are the tertiary. Okay, and then you have to have a shade, a tint, and a tone, and that's going to be your assignment for this lesson. Thank you.